Guys, we're actually getting cotton candy. Oh, apparently I don't know how to spin cotton candy. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damien. Welcome back to another great video with Great Dame Vlogs. So today I actually had in mind, I wanted to create a video where I was going to be making cotton candy on a cotton candy machine that I bought from Kroger for just $10.99, or should I say with the Kroger discount, $9.99. All right, you guys, so I had went to Sam's Club earlier, so you can see me. Let me turn my head around because my hair is like messed up. I haven't had a haircut since coronavirus broke out. Let me stop lying. But yeah, let me get this stuff off the table. So I have right here some cake. You guys, I promise you, look at it. It looks so good. Now it's falling because I got to tilt it over so I can show you guys the cake. So I'm gonna put this over on the other table so I can prepare the space to do the Jelly Belly cotton candy in the Jelly Belly cotton candy machine. It's an awesome bamboo plant that I have been growing ever since I gave it to my mother on Mother's Day.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to get this crack. We're about to crack open this cotton candy machine and we're about to dig into it.
As you can see, you guys, this is by the Jelly Belly brand of jelly beans, which are the best jelly beans in the world. If you ever tasted the popcorn jelly beans, those are the best for me. So we have the little cotton candy twirlers, holders, the holders, with that stuff. And we got 2 sets of them. So in all, I believe we have 6. And I think this actually comes with the candy that we can, or whatever, the stuff we have to put up in there. Actually, you know what? Let me see what's all inside. It says uses cotton candy, sugar, or finely crushed candy pieces. Includes 6 cotton candy cones, including the machine. So cotton candy machine, preheat, add sugar, twirl cones to collect tasty cotton candy. So that's all it says, you guys. We're gonna pull this thing right out of the box and
we're gonna
see how this
hop
goes.
right into it.
So this is it. This is the cotton candy maker. I guess this is the top or whatever. This is the thing to add the sugar. So I'm guessing it did not come with cotton candy and stuff. So I guess we're not gonna make cotton candy today, y'all. Somebody knows how to put together a cotton candy machine.
Did it come with instructions?
So I did this all wrong. Apparently don't give you the instructions to put together a cotton candy maker.
There were instructions right there.
So I still did not read the instructions, but I can just kind of this is one of the things that I just figured out how to do. Put this right here. So around that. All right, we got it clipped on. Let's do this right here. So it's good that they made a 2-prong plug because everybody don't always have a 3-prong plug. So let me find a plug back here. like it was heating up down there, y'all. Smelled like it was heating up. Alright, so I don't know if I had this thing on straight or not. I guess I did. Okay, now let's read the instructions. So apparently it says that we have to let this thing run for 5 minutes. So it is on. I have everything in place. Awesome. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's getting hot in here. I set a timer, as you can see on my Apple Watch, for 5 minutes, and we have currently 1 minute and 15 seconds left. So currently we have 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, the timer has stopped. I'm going to put the camera back down on the cotton candy maker and turn to the off position. So, I'm going to take my handy dandy scooper that came with the pack. I thought they were giving us some kind of assortment of cotton candy to actually get started and make flavored cotton candy, but all they give us is what we have at home, which is basically sugar. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy scooper that was given to me and one of these.
Place it into the cotton candy maker.
I'm gonna take the bottom of the spoon to kind of even it out a little bit. And it said that when you turn it on, you might actually get a little bit of sugar flying everywhere, but at the end, we will come out with a great result, so stay tuned for that. All right. So it is in the cotton candy making process. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, guys, let's see this one. Guys, we're actually getting cotton candy. Oh. Oh. Apparently I don't know how to spin cotton candy. I actually have cotton candy coming off of this thing actually made. So as you can see, I do not know how to spin cotton candy. I'm not a cotton candy artist or expert at this by any chance, but you know, by far. But it was okay. You guys, I think this is actually working right now. Oh. This video, like, thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel if I am spinning this cotton candy correctly. I think this is my first successful time actually spinning cotton candy. This is kind of fun, guys. So you actually gotta become pros. Within less than 10 minutes. Alright, so it's out of cotton candy. As you can see, it stopped giving me webs to spin. No Spider-Man though. So I'm gonna turn this machine right off. This is the finished product, you guys. Leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. I give it a 9 out of 10 because it does everything it said it was going to do. My only thing is it should have come with more flavor packs, and it didn't come with any flavor packs of sugar or nothing like that. Next video, I promise you I will probably try to make Kool-Aid. Maybe that's how you do it. Alright you guys, so my end result is the fact that it makes cotton candy, but it also makes around the rim these crystallized sugar sticks. But it does make cotton candy, it does make cotton candy all in all. So I feel like this would really be a good buy. Like I said previously, I give it a 9 out of 10 because it does not have everything. But you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.